Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, October 13th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's announcements from Ms. Linscomb. Teachers, please remember to post attendance by 9 a.m. each day. This is a directive that has come straight from central office, our attendance officer. It has been taken very seriously, and so we want to make sure that our records are accurate when we have to look those up or need them for any kind of documentation purposes. So if you need a buddy, if you need a timer on your cell phone, whatever is going to work for you in your classroom, but make sure you are posting attendance by 9 a.m. each day. Also, masks. Remind students they must bring their own mask as a part of the school uniform. We do not have additional masks to give out to students. Teachers must also make sure that their students are always wearing them correctly. Students, if you leave home with your socks on, leave home with your mask on. Okay, so make sure you lay it out in the morning, get ready to go. The iReady rep will be in the Collab Lab for our extended PE times today. Kindergarten does not need to attend with the iReady rep. Grades. Grades should be entered and up to date in Schoology. Check today to make sure both your Schoology gradebooks and PowerTeacher Pro gradebooks match. Teachers need to complete the grade verification process as soon as possible. Today's late duty is Miss Hamlin, tomorrow is Miss Lankford, and Friday is Miss Barnes. Our word of the day is kilogram. A kilogram is a metric unit of mass equal to 1,000 grams. Okay, so it's how you measure mass in the metric system. 1 kilogram is about the same as 2.5 pounds. It's 1,000 grams. Important dates. We have our iReady representative here during Extended PE. I have 5th grade Super Scholars today. October 14th, we have Reading PLT. October 25th through 29th, we have Book Fair and Red Ribbon Week. October 27th, we have PST during Extended PE, and we have 5th grade Super Scholars. October 28th, we have Read for the Record. October 29th is going to be a Feel Good Friday. That's the end of our fundraiser. November 3rd, we have the Sunnyside Theater play coming to campus, and that's for pre-K through 2nd. And we have course study PD during Extended PE. November 10th is Reading and Math PLTs. November 11th, we have No School for Veterans Day. And November 12th, something I'm really looking forward to, is World Kindness Day. We also are still doing our Be a Champion and Read campaign. So read your 6 books, take your 6 tests, get your form signed, bring it back to Miss Smith and get all those goodies. We are still doing our pumpkin character contest. We've had a couple of more additions in the library for the pumpkin contest. When we get all of them in, then we will have a time where all the students can come check out those book character pumpkins and see all the different characters that we ended up with. So keep working on those pumpkins. Can't wait to see what kind of creative pumpkins you make out there. Like I mentioned before, we are still doing the coupon book fundraiser that just kicked off yesterday. So sell those coupon books. They're super easy to sell. Lots of people like those, and you can win some great prizes. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.